This is the Blackburn Tradesman Multi-Tool. Based on appearances, it seems as if the Tradesman Multi-Tool is like every other multi-tool. And like any solid multi-tool, the Tradesman has its Allen wrenches, Torx wrenches, screwdriver, a spoke wrench, and even this little press-to-valve tool. Unlike every other multi-tool, the Tradesman holds a complete chain repair system. Your standard chain tool, hidden quick link storage, and clever quick link removal tool. Never be stranded out in the middle of nowhere again. With all of this toolage, it's amazing that the Tradesman multi-tool is small enough to fit here and here. The Blackburn Tradesman multi-tool. It may appear similar to other multi-tools, but with its quick link storage and quick link tool, the Tradesman multi-tool is anything but similar, my friend.
Whether you're out on the road or on the trail, you want to be able to fix anything on the go. With ProBikeTool's 8-in-1 Multi-Tool, you'll always have the right tools and be prepared. The 8-in-1 Multi-Tool is made of stainless steel and includes 5 hex tools, 2 star tools, and 1 Phillips head. This strong, precise multi-tool is corrosion resistant, and its rivet system makes sure the tools are locked into place and never loose. The lightweight, ergonomic design feels great in your hand, and the sleek cover keeps it secure in your bag or pocket. Ride with confidence with ProBikeTool's 8-in-1 Multi-Tool.
The ParkTool MTC40 is 13 essential tools in one convenient, high-quality take-along multi-tool. The MTC40 features a super strong composite handle, hardened and plated tools, and smooth ergonomic operation. The MTC40 features a chain tool for emergency chain repairs and includes a CO2 cartridge inflator adapter for easy on-the-ride inflation.
Introducing the compact and ultra-functional Rap Multi-Tool collection, entry-level multi-tools with an ergonomical design. The Rap tool is available in a variety of combinations. The Rap LED comes in a 15 or 21 tool set and features a single lumen LED tool for increased visibility when working in low light. The standard Rap tool comes in a 6, 14 or 20 tool set, allowing you to customize your cycling kit to fit your needs. Made from chrome vanadium steel for maximum tool strength and performance, the Rap multi-tools feature ergonomical aluminum side plates to ensure firm control when using the tools. The Rap 14 adds a chain breaker, spoke wrenches, and additional hex and star tools, and weighs just 149 grams. Weighing in at 178 grams, the Rap 20 adds a wider range of hex keys and star tools, along with a flathead tool, tire lever, disc brake wedge, and bottle opener. The Rap LED 21 and 15 tools feature the same tool options but with an integrated LED light for convenient illumination while wrenching. The ultra-strong and compact Lezyne Rap Multi-Tools. Engineered design.
Do you love biking? Have you ever run into the situation of needing to fix or adjust your bike on the road, but since the tools were too bulky, you do not have them with you? Introducing our award-winning next-generation product, WOKit 2.0, which replaces 28 tools and weighs only 130 grams. Now you can have your mind at ease while you're out there riding.
Hello, my name is Brian Borchers and I own Russian River Cycle Service. I've been in the bicycle industry for a good 20 years. Never afraid of buying a specialty tool when I need it for the job. This tool has everything that you could possibly need. I would probably use this primarily in my shop, not just out on the trail. The idea of it is to have everything in your pocket when you're out on the road. It has pretty much every tool you could imagine that you would need. So you got flat blade, Phillips blade, Torx, Allens, sockets. It has a bottle cap opener, 1/4-inch drive ratchet driver, starts at 2mm Allen and goes up to 6mm. Has a Phillips, a flat blade, and a chain tool. Once you take out the attachments, you assemble it for whatever it is that you're working on. Slip it into the carabiner, turn it over, lock the carabiner down on it, and it's ready to go. This tool's made out of chromoly steel. They use the same materials in axles and gear fabrication. What I have here is the 15mm open-end wrench. When you're holding it in your hand, it fits really nicely. You could definitely put legitimate full-on torque on this wrench. You pretty much could disassemble anything on a bicycle on the roadside and put it back together, more importantly.
WOKit, the only kit you need when you are out there on the road.
The ParkTool MTC20 is 7 essential tools in one convenient, high-quality take-along multi-tool. The MTC20 features a super strong composite handle, hardened and plated tools, and smooth ergonomic operation. The MTC20 includes a CO2 cartridge inflator adapter for easy on-the-ride inflation.